A Walmart promo code will instantly show already used when the system detects it was applied on a previous order tied to your account, even if that order was canceled or returned. By the end, you'll know why this error happens, how Walmart tracks promo code usage, and the exact ways to fix it so you can still get a working discount. Here's what's actually going on. Walmart promo codes are usually single use per account or limited use per promotion. That means once the system logs it as redeemed, it often won't allow it again on the same account. The key issue is that used doesn't always mean a successful purchase. If you applied the code and the order was processed even briefly, Walmart may still mark it as consumed. The first thing to check is your order history. If the discount appears on a past order, even a canceled one, the code is likely permanently tied up on your account. Next, check if the code was partially applied. Some promo codes auto-apply at checkout, so you might not remember entering it, but the system already logged it. Here's how to fix it, step by step. First, remove the promo code from your current cart if it is still showing. Then, fully close the Walmart app or browser and reopen it. This refreshes the session and clears stuck checkout data. Next, try signing out of your Walmart account and signing back in. This can reset how the system reads your promo eligibility status. If the code still shows as used, try applying it on a different device or in a different browser. Some users find that session-based errors don't carry over when switching devices. If none of that works, the issue is likely permanent for that code on your account. At that point, the only real option is using a different promo code or waiting for a new offer, since Walmart doesn't manually reset used promo status in most cases. The important thing to understand is that Walmart doesn't treat promo codes like reusable coupons. They are tracked at the account level, not just at checkout. To sum it up, the already used error usually comes from past order history, hidden auto application, or account level tracking that blocks reuse. The next step is to check your order history first, because that tells you immediately whether the code is permanently flagged or just stuck in your current session. If you want faster fixes for Walmart checkout and promo issues, subscribe for simple breakdowns that get you back to checkout without the guessing.